Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn VLOOKUP formula, how to use VLOOKUP formula in Excel. Consider this is our main sheet. It has invoice number and amount, and consider it is another sheet. Its name is AP230. It has invoice number and amount, and another sheet name is AP270. It has also invoice number and amount. This is our main sheet. We want to know that this invoice number is showing in AP230. This invoice number is showing in AP230. This invoice number is showing in AP270. How in one page report we want to know this invoice number fall in which report. This invoice number fall in which report, this one or this one. If we have so many data in one sheet, so many data in AP230 report and so many data in AP270 report, how can we find in a single report that which invoice is fall in which sheet, this invoice fall in which sheet? So we use VLOOKUP formula, equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open. We need to search this invoice number, comma, in this sheet. When you select data, press F4 to fix the range, then select comma. If this invoice number found in this range, then column number 1 will come, comma, false. Enter. We found that 1001 we found in AP230 report. Then drag this formula. The result showing 1002 invoice is also found in AP230 report or AP230 sheet. Remaining invoices 1003 and 1004 not found in AP230 report. Then again we use VLOOKUP formula, and in this AP270 cell, equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, invoice number. We need to search this invoice number, comma, in AP270 sheet. We select range, press F4 to fix the range, comma. If this invoice number is found in this data, then come column number 1, comma, false. Press enter. The invoice number 1001 not found in AP270 report. Drag this formula. The invoice number 1002 not found and not available in AP270 report, whereas the invoice number 1003 and 1004 found in AP270 report. If you have so much data in AP230 reports and AP270 reports, you can know easily by using VLOOKUP formula which invoice found in which invoice available in which report by using VLOOKUP formula. Okay, hopefully you understand this video. If you have any query, you may freely comment us in comment box, and like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.